Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Verasity. If you guys like these kind of videos, you guys know to come join the Crypto ZX army. But now if we're looking at the price of Verasity right now, it is currently trading at 0.0068 cents. It's down 14.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down about 10% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. We're going to talk about the price analysis. Is this a time to worry? What exactly is going on? What caused the price of Verasity to dump, and where the next price targets are for the price of Verasity? So if we're looking at the market cap is currently sitting at $70 million with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 32 million. But if we're looking at the price, before I get into the price, I just want to say the disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's focus on the price of Bitcoin first. So the main reason as to why we're seeing a retracement happen within the price of Verasity, such a stagnant, such a dramatic, drop down. The reason as to why that's happening is because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a retracement happen within its price, which again is overdue, which again is totally okay for Bitcoin to do. Remember, this year has been nothing but bullish for the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has made a statement for itself. So again, a little bit of a retracement is very much needed before we do see continuation upwards trend. So with that said, keeping that factor in mind, we are seeing Verasity obviously react along with other altcoins to the price of Bitcoin seeing a retracement. And not only that, we have seen Verasity plummet all the way down to that 5.7 cents mark. You've heard that correct. Let's bring out the measuring tool for you guys. So it went literally from that 0.007 cents mark all the way down to that 5.7, which was a drop of 25.6%. But look how fast the price was bought back up, and these prices did not last too long. And I want you guys to keep this factor in mind. So let's say you had some buy orders in place and you got lucky, you would have gained about 20% instantly. So look at this wick, guys. What is this wick all about? This is what I keep telling you guys about manipulation. This is a pure example of manipulation. We were seeing whales that manipulated all the longs, and you guys can see the price fell really sharply. And again, to manipulate this type of altcoin with such a low market cap, it's really easy to do. So that's why we're seeing it down about 14.3%, especially around this time when we are seeing a lot of bearish momentum in the immediate short term after Bitcoin is seeing a cool off. So keeping in mind, this is a perfect example. Coins with a low M cap, so market valuations tend to be manipulated quite easily, and that is a perfect example in front of us. And this should also show you why leverage trading, why I tell you on my channel, is something that you want to be staying away from. If you are a viewer on my channel, I don't care if you're experienced, not experienced, I want you guys to stay away from leverage trading. Never fall for their schemes to come leverage 100x blah blah. Absolutely not. 99.9% of the time you are going to be losing your money, and I don't want you guys to be falling for these schemes that are not good at all. So stay away from that. And this should be a learning lesson for a lot of people to even look at these, because imagine you had some longs placed in and you just completely got wiped out right now. So just stay away from leverage trading. I cannot stress this enough. But speaking about the price now, so what's happening with the price? So you guys can see right now we are being supported by some very important levels from this year. So if we go on the the daily time frame, you guys can see we have a lot of support built up around here, and that's exactly where we're seeing the price being supported by. And we also have support from last year, so that is playing as the level of support currently for us, which is a good sign. Obviously, if the support were not to hold, we could be retesting that 5.5 cents once again. But if Bitcoin were to have a turnaround, I would not be surprised for this dip to be bought back up very quickly. And if you were kicking yourself when Verasity was breaking out just yesterday, this is again another opportunity for you to be dollar cost averaging in. If you do want to be doing that and picking up some more Verasity, pick it up when it's going down, when there's a bloodbath across the board, that's the best time to maximize your growth potential. There's a famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. So the ones that are greedy when it's massive fear across the board, they're the ones that tend to do good in the long haul. So far, my stance on Verasity has not changed. This is obviously due to the impact of Bitcoin's price pullback. Like I said, if Bitcoin were to drop a little bit lower, we could see more downwards momentum. But if Bitcoin starts moving back towards the upside or even starts consolidating within this range, I would expect Verasity dip to be bought back up very, very quickly. So again, if you are a believer on Verasity and you want to be dollar cost averaging in, this is a great opportunity once again right in front of you. And I do believe that Verasity is going to shock a lot of people this bull cycle. If we're going to be looking in 2024, going to be looking back at these prices and saying, those were the good old days. But again, only time is going to tell. But that is just my own personal opinion. But I really do believe Verasity has what it takes to shock a lot of people in the space. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below your thoughts, where you could see the price going. What is your overall analysis on this situation? I love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.